Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase the volume power in the Motorola phone. So if you don't have any equalizer in the settings, I show you the other way for that. So we have to start from opening the Play Store, then look for this app. Install it of course and open. After that you have to add the permissions. I did it before. So now, if you want to increase, how you can see the tool is active, and if you want to boost your volume power, just slide the slider to the right. You can see that 60% is maximum. You can adjust it to your needs by swiping it. And that's it. But if you want to turn off this service, just click on the stop service and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.